Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about adjective endings in German. This is a topic that many learners find confusing, but do not worry. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of how to use them correctly. What are adjective endings? In German, adjectives change their endings depending on three factors. First, the gender of the noun, which can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. Second, the case, which can be nominative, accusative, dative, or genitive. Third, the type of article used before the noun, such as definite articles like der, die, das, indefinite articles like in, ein, or no article at all. Types of adjective endings. There are three types of adjective endings. First, strong endings, which are used when there is no article or a weak determiner like weil or wenig. Second, weak endings, which are used when a definite article like der, die, das is present. Third, mixed endings, which are used after an indefinite article like ein or ein. Examples in the nominative case. Let's look at some examples in the nominative case, where the adjective describes the subject of the sentence. With a definite article and a weak ending. The tall man is der grosse Mann. The beautiful woman is die schöne Frau. The small child is das kleine Kind. With an indefinite article and a mixed ending. A tall man is ein grosser Mann. A beautiful woman is eine schöne Frau. A small child is ein kleines Kind. Without an article and a strong ending. Tall man is grosser Mann. Beautiful woman is schöne Frau. Small child is kleines Kind. General rule to remember. If the article already shows the gender, number, and case, the adjective takes a weak ending such as I or yen. If the article does not fully indicate the gender, the adjective takes a strong ending such as I or es. Conclusion. That is the end of this lesson. Keep practicing adjective endings by paying attention to the articles and cases. Over time, it will become much easier. Good luck with your German learning.